Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, we have covered complete placement preparation for NVIDIA, one of the top companies in GPU computing, artificial intelligence, and high performance system. We started all major NVIDIA specialties like GPU computing, AI, deep learning, robotics, and EDC for technical MCQs round. Then we covered 180 plus technical MCQs across all domains to help you clear the written elementary rounds confidently. After that, we moved to coding preparation, where we solved real interview level problems. We include 15 common questions, 15 Fang level tough problems, and a complete sheet of 50 hard coding problems, focusing on patterns like graph, dynamic programming, heap, and etc. Finally, we discussed HR and managerial round questions with strong, structured answers to help you crack the final interview stage. So, this video is just not just a theory, it's a complete roadmap from basic to advanced design make you interview ready for NVIDIA and other FANG companies. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more placement and coding content. So we will start first technical round questions by specialty wise questions and answers. First one is GPU accelerated computing. Why students fail? Think GPU just faster than CPU. What interviewer actually tests? Parallel not sequential logic. Real world performance reasoning. Wrong answers. GPU is used for graphics only. Okay, average student GPU runs multiple in parallel and is faster than CPU for large tasks. Interview ready answer. We will cover every specialty with the interview ready answer and 15 MCQ with the 5 coding snippets. Then we covered coding problem and HR finally round. Okay, so wait for the coding and HR rounds. Like and subscribe and comment on the below if you have any doubt. Okay, so let's start. GPU accelerated computing leverages massively parallel architectures where thousands of lightweight threads execute simultaneously. Performance depends not just on parallelism but efficient memory access plans, minimizing divergence and people use of shared memory. If you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. And GPU are optimized for parallel tasks. CUDA is developed by NVIDIA, the smallest execution unit in GPU thread. Warp size in NVIDIA GPU is 32. Faster memory register. Thread divergence happens when threads follow different paths. GPU is best for data parallel tasks. Grid is group of blocks. Shared memory is fast and block local. CUDA kernel runs on GPU. Memory coalescing improves performance. GPU versus CPU are core count. GPU is greater than CPU. Kernel launch syntax uses this sign C option. Occupancy refers to thread utilization. Parallel reduction is used for summation. Now coding snippets. If you want the PDF, you can message me on the WhatsApp number given in the video. Weapon is GPU tons of workers doing same task faster. Also remember threads plus memory plus parallelism is purpose. Now we will cover second specialty, artificial intelligence. Okay. Interview ready answer. Artificial intelligence is broadly focused on building systems that simulate human agents, including reasoning, learning, and decision making. It includes machine learning, deep learning, and NLP, computer vision, depending on the problem domain. AI stands for artificial intelligence and is a subset of AI. Deep learning uses networks. Supervised learning needs labels. Unsupervised learning finds patterns. CNS used for image. NLP stands for natural language processing. Overfitting means poor generalization or underfitting, poor training. Regression predicts continuous value. Classification predicts category. Reinforcement learning uses rewards. TensorFlow is AI framework. Bias variance trade-off relates to accuracy. AI in NVIDIA used in all. Now coding facts. Mention weapon AI is In ML is learning is deep brain. Always answer with real world example plus concept. Next one is learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses multi-layered neural network to learn hierarchical representation of data. It relies on backpropagation, gradient descent optimization, and large dataset, and is highly effective in domains like vision, NLP, and speech recognition. Deep learning is a subset of ML. Neural network consists of layers. Activation function produces non-linearity. ReLU stands for Rarefied Linear Unit. Sigmoid output range 0-1. Backpropagation is used for training. Scene is mainly used for images. RNN is best for sequential data. Vanishing gradient problem occurs in deep network. Dropout helps overfitting reduction. Loss function measure error. Optimizer example ADAM. Approach means iteration over dataset. Batch size is set of data. Transform models are used in NLP. And the coding snippets. Attention weapon. DL is layers learn feature step by step, edges to shapes to objects. Always explain input to hidden layers to output training loop. Now next one is virtual reality. Virtual reality is an immersive technology that simulates a fully digital environment using head-mounted displays, motion track, and real-time rendering. It requires latency, high frame rates, and precise tracking to ensure realistic interaction. VR stands for virtual reality. VR headsets. Key VR feature immersion. AR differs from VR because AR obeys real world. Motion tracking is used for movement detection. Latency should be low, frame rate should be high. VR uses GPU. Oculus is VR headset. Rendering in VR must be real time. Field of view affects immersion. VR sickness caused by latency mismatch are used in all 3D environment uses 3D rendering. Sensors in VR detection and the coding sets. Next happen VR immersion plus interaction plus real-time rendering. Key low latency plus high FPS is no motion sickness. Next one is gaming. Gaming systems rely on GPUs for real-time rendering, executing complex graphics pipelines involving texturing and rasterization. Performance depends on balancing FPS, latency, and resolution with modern advancements, ray tracing enabling realistic lighting. FPS stands for frames per second. High FPS results in smooth gameplay. GPU in gaming hence rendering graphics. Ray trace used for lightning effects. Latency refers to delay. Resolution means pixel count. VSync is used to prevent screen tear. Shader is GPU program. Texture mapping improves visual detail. Rasterization converts it to 2D. Anti-aliasing reduces jagged edges. Game engines frameworks. Unreal Engine is game engine. DLSS is by NVIDIA. GPU bottleneck occurs when GPU overload and the coding snips. Weapon gaming is FPS plus graphics plus latency balance. River smooth is greater than beautiful competitive gaming. Don't forget to like and share. Okay. Next one is self-driving cars, autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles rely on multi-stage pipelines including perception, camera, lidar, localization, path planning, and control. These AI models allow sensor fusion and time decision systems to safely navigate dynamic environments. Autonomous vehicles use multiple sensors. Lidar is used for distance mapping. Radar is useful in all weather. Perception is environment understanding. Path planning, route calculation. Control handles steering, braking. GPS provides location. Sensor fusion combines multiple sensors. AI model is for object detection. Edge case means Rare scenario. Real-time system requires fast response. Autonomous level 5 means full automation. NVIDIA Drive platform is for self-driving. Computer vision is for image understanding. Safety requires redundancy and the code snippets. Attention weapon self-driving is C to think to act. Perception A to planning to control. Next one is supercomputing. Supercomputing involves large-scale distributed system combining thousands of nodes working in parallel to solve computationally intensive problem. Performance is measured in FOPS and efficiency depends on communication overhead, load balancing, parallel algorithm design. Supercomputers are used for scientific simulations. Performance measured in PLOPS. Parallel computing multiple tasks simultaneously. Cluster is group of computers. API stands for message passing interface. Load balance ensures equal work distribution. Scalability means growth capability. Bottleneck occurs when one component grows. GPU used in HPC because parallel processing. Network latency affects communication speed. Exascale computing means 10 to the power 8 flops. Node in cluster computer unit. Distributed system multiple machine. HPC used in all. CUDA in GPU computing and the coding systems. Tension weapon supercomputing is thousands of machines solving one problem. Focus parallel plus distributed plus scalar. Next one is robots. Robotics integrate hardware and software systems where sensors perceive the environment, controllers process data and execute actions. Modern robotics combines AI, computer vision and control theory for autonomous decision making. Robot consists of all. There is used for perception, actuator performs movement, controller does decision making, feed loop ensure continuous correlation. Robotic use all. Industrial robots used in manufacturing. Degree of freedom means movement access. Autonomous self-operating. ROS stands for Robot Operating System. Path planning in robotics, movement route, computer vision and image understanding. Servo motor used for precise movement. Drone is robot. NVIDIA Jetson used in robotics and the coding banks. Tension weapon code is sense to think to same as self-driving but physical actions. Virtualization is next to virtualization, abstract physical hardware to create multiple isolated environments using hypervisor. NVIDIA's Context GPU virtualization enables multi-users or workloads to share a single GPU efficiently, crucial for climbing AI workloads and enterprise solutions. Virtualization allows multiple OS on one system. Hypervisor is Virtual Machine Manager. Type 1 hypervisor runs on hardware. Type 2 hypervisor runs on OS operating system. VM stands for virtual machine. Container is light virtualization. Docker is used for containers. GPU virtualization allows multiple users share GPU. Isolation means separation between environments. vGPU stands for virtual GPU. Cloud computing user virtualization. Over means source usage. Snapshot is backup state. KVM is hypervisor. NVIDIA GPU is used in all. Encoding snippets. Retention on virtualization is one machine to many environments. Key isolation plus resource share. Next one is parallel computing. Parallel computing divides a problem into subtasks that execute simultaneously across multiple processors or cores. Efficiency depends on minimizing synchronization overhead, avoiding race conditions, and ensuring proper workload distribution. Parallel computing means simultaneous execution. Thread is write process. This condition occurs when multiple threads access shared data. Synchronization ensures safe execution. Mutex is used for locking. Deadlock means stuck. Speed up means performance gain. Amdahl's law relates to parallel speed up. GPU parallelism is fork join model parallel join, thread pull, pre-created thread, load balancing even distribute. Granularity refers to task size. SIMD means single instruction, multiple data. Parallelism improves speed and the coding guides. Tension weapon parallel is divide to execute to combine. Always think in this run simultaneously. Next one is professional graphics. Professional graphics focuses on high precision rendering for applications like CD, CAD, 3D modeling, simulation, and film production. Unlike gaming GPUs, workstation GPUs prioritize accuracy, stability, and optimizers for professional workloads. Professional graphics used in CAD workstation GPUs focus on accuracy and stability. CAD stands for computer-aided design. Rendering means generating images. Rate used for realistic lighting. Workstation GPUs as gaming GPU optimization. Double precision used for scientific accuracy. NVIDIA Quadro is workstation GPU. 3D modeling involves objects in space. Simulation used in engineering. GPU acceleration helps the rendering. Frame buffers stores image pixels. Shader programs on view. Rendering pipelines include all professional graphics used in all and the coding snippets. Precision weapon professional graphics accuracy FPS used in engineering plus films and design. Next one is automotive technology. Automotive technology integrates enabled systems, AI, and real-time computing to power infotainment, driver assistant, and autonomous driving. NVIDIA platforms like Drive enable high-performance computing for perception, planning, and safety-critical options. Automotive tech includes all ADAs, stand for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Embedded system is a dedicated system. Real-time system means immediate response. Infotainment includes all NVIDIA Drive used for automotive. Safety systems includes all CAN bus used for network vehicles. ECU stands for Engine Control Unit. Autonomous cars require all real-time OS used for automotive systems. Sensor example, all automotive AI is used in all edge computing cars, local processing. Redundancy ensures safety and the coding snippets. Tension weapon automotive is real minus real to time plus safety plus AI. Always say fail safe systems are mandatory. And the completed 180 plus MCQs for technical round. If you want it, you can message me on the WhatsApp number. Now we'll cover 4 problems, all specialty covered, because NVIDIA asks these specialty questions also, and common and problems also will cover next from this. Now, GPU parallel computing problem, parallel sum reduction, given an array of size and good sum using parallel reduction, approach given and the code is there. Artificial intelligence problem, linear regression from sketch. Okay, this is the code. Deep learning problem, forward pass of neural network problem, implement a simple one neural network forward pass. This is the code. Virtual reality problem, camera movement simulation, update camera position based on movement inputs. Game, collision detection. Okay, check if two rectangles overlap. Self-driving cars, test path planning, find short path using BFS. Supercomputing, distributed word count words across distributed chunks. Robotics, PID control, implement PID control. Virtualization, resource allocation, distributes resources among VMs. Pair computing, multi-threaded sum, compute sum use heads. Professional graphics, Brisson line algorithm, draw a line between 2 points. Automotive technology, speed control system, adjust speed based on it. And we have covered specialty wise coding questions. We will cover hard problems for NVIDIA, trapping rainwater, second 2D. Given a 2D grid of lights, compute trapped water. Use minimum heap BFS plus boundary expansion. This is the code. I have also made a video on this coding round. You can watch the sliding window median. Find median in every window of size k. 2 heap, maximum minimum heap. Word later. Find or test transformation sequence. BFS plus backtracking. Maximum power of two numbers. Try bit manipulation. Alien dictionary. Topological sort. Minimum cost to connect the points MHT. Serialize and deserialize binary tree. Kth smallest sorted metric. Largest rectangle in histogram. Skyline problem. LRU's hard version. Regular expand matching. Burst balloons. Word search second. Min of two sorted arrays. And now we have covered odd problems. Now I want to give 50 problems coding sheet so you can cover for every company to crack the code. This is the 50 sheets round questions. Okay, array greedy, trapping rainwater, maximum sum of non-overlapping size, minimum number of refueling stops, split array, largest sum, candid distribution, hard variant with constants, sliding window heap, sliding window median, minimum window string, find k, closest elements, smallest range covering, k, list makes the performance of team, trees, serialize and deserialize binary tree, maximum plus sum, recovery, search tree, count complete nodes, 0 of square and lowest common ancestor, graphs, word later second, alien dictionary, course schedule third, network delay, critical actions, bridges and target, dynamic programming, regular expression matching, wildcard matching, burst balloons, edit distance, longest path in matrix syndrome, partitioning second, distinct substances, scramble string, maximum rectangle, binary matrix, super edge, drop, and backtracking recursion, and n second, Sudoku solver, word search second, expression add operators, restore IP addresses, try string, word search second version, replace words, longest word in dictionary, concatenated words, palindrome pairs, heap and priority queue, merge a case sorted list, median from data stream, skyline problems, eighth smallest sorted matrix, IPU problems, bit manipulation, maximum XO of two numbers, single third, count bits, advanced optimization, system design coding, LRU cache, LFU cache, rate limiter, design file system, reason Twitter, task scheduler, cooldown, logger, rate limiter. This is the very important for NVIDIA stack. Now this is the sheet, very important for you step by step, strategy, pattern recognition, don't solve randomly and you can see the steps. NVIDIA specific edge, parallel thinking, graph optimization problem, DP, real world system, cache scheduling, final retention web. Okay, now we will cover the AI managerial round. Before we start, why students fail, give generic answers, what NVIDIA interview actually test, problem solving, mindset, ownership, and so on. HRL managerial round. Tell me about yourself. Why you want to join IDEA? What are your strengths? What is your biggest weakness? Tell me about a project challenging. How do you handle failure? Describe a time you in a team. Do you prioritize tasks? What motivates you? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? How do you pressure? Why should we hire you? Tell me about the experience. What do you know about NVIDIA? Do you have any question for us? Now, final retention weapon. HR is not about answer, it's just about thinking. So, if you have video, you can message the WhatsApp number. We have covered all rounds: aptitude, technical, Computing HR. Aptitude have 6 PDF, so I am not covered in this video. So if you want the PDF, you message me on the WhatsApp. Like and subscribe. Please. Thank you so much for watching this video.